just in 2013 Aprilia Tuono V4. Good tidy condition bike. Looks like it's been well looked after. It'll go through our workshop before it leaves us anyway, so anything it needs will be done. Actually, it's due a front tyre, so it'll have a new front tyre all included in the asking price. So nice tidy condition throughout. Odd little mark here and there. I think there's one there just on the little nose cone there. It will have the odd mark around it. It's low mileage though. It's done just over 9,700 miles. Got a sporty can on it. It's got a tail tidy already on. Nice dual coloured seat there. Rides really well. Sounds great as always. These V4s are really, really nice to ride. On a 62 plate, but it is 13 reg. (9,758 miles). It has got a set of Oxford heated grips on it. Provided they work, we will leave them on. That's about it really. 2013 Aprilia Tuono V4. It's in stock in our showroom in Maidstone, Kent. As always, you are welcome to pop in and see us. If you do need delivery, finance or any further details, or even a part exchange price on your old bike, by all means give us a call. See you soon.